Are you currently struggling to find leads for your insurance business or just any business for that matter? Because if so, you want to stick around for today's video because I'm going to show you how to find free leads for your business, and I'm going to show you in 5 minutes or less. We've navigated to Data Axle. Data Axle used to be Reference USA. So in order for you to access this free database, what you have to do is access the database from your county library or your city library. Your county or city library has a tool in there called Digital Resources. And for Digital Resources, you'll see a list of databases listed. So for my particular county, they give us free access to Data Axle, which allows us to do searches on these databases for free leads, right? So Reference USA or Data Axle allows you to perform the free searches. So for example, if you're in the insurance business, a lot of insurance agents like to target U.S. new homeowners, new movers. These are people who, just purchased a home. So you can actually, do a search by name or do like an advanced search, right? And so during this advanced search, let's say we wanted to target a particular zip code, right? So I would select the zip code. And, let's say, for example, I want to target 28217. So I put in 28217 and I select homeownership, right? And I want to say, just confirm homeowner. So I could also have the option to select renters too. So I might just want to select renters as an option, or just confirm homeowners. So I'm just going to select confirm homeowners and scroll down, and I have the option to select date, right? So what I can do is, let's say if I'm looking for a 6-month span, what I can do is, let's say, start with January 1st, and I will really probably want to go through June 8th, right? So I can specify that. I can specify the moving distance if I choose to do that, right? And so now what I can do is select view results. And so it tells me that there are 105 homeowners that recently purchased a house between January to June that just moved, right? And so these new insurance agents may want to sell a product where they are targeting these new movers to offer them some type of insurance product, right? And the insurance product may be that gives them the ability to pretty much pay off their houses if they were to die. So that's one example of how you can use this database as an insurance agent, right? And so for any other business, right, what you can do, you can actually use this for your business, and that doesn't consist of insurance. So if you are not in the insurance business, you may want to target other U.S. businesses, right? So you can just go to the U.S. businesses, right? And you can do like an advanced search. And what you can do is just target, specific businesses that have incorporated, based on a specific period of time. Or if you want to target a specific size of employees, right? You have that option to do so. So, this is a great free tool provided by your county or city library. Most county or city libraries have it listed under like digital resources. If you have questions, just go down to your county or city library and ask them what database tools that they have to offer you that's listed for free. So if you enjoyed today's video, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in all of our upcoming Friday video releases.